guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you are new here, my name is Aisha. I do videos on all kinds of random things: lifestyle, being a medical assistant, being a mom, just a little bit of everything. I don't really have like a niche. Like, my channel is whatever I'm interested in the moment. Today's video is an unboxing on my new AirPod Pros. I wanted to wait a little longer because I'm pretty sure new AirPods are coming out later this year, but my originals were starting to mess up. So I'm like, I might as well just jump in and buy some new ones, upgrade them. But before we jump into that, I want to quickly talk about what's going on here in the US. I felt some type of way about making a video and not addressing it. Like, I know I don't have a huge following on YouTube. My Instagram is a little bigger than my YouTube, but following wise, and I'm very active on there, and I've been talking about it and sharing stories and everything on the Black Lives Matter, and I just didn't feel right making a video and not talking about it. I don't want you guys to think that I'm just sweeping it under the rug or just whatever, just trying to not be involved. But as a Latina, like, how can I not be involved? How can I not support that, the movement and the cause? It's like, I don't know, I just felt some type of way, and I didn't want you guys to think like, oh, she's not even going to address it or acknowledge it. But yeah, so I just wanted to quickly say that I really don't even know what to say. There's so much going on right now. There's so much tension. If you don't know, I am in Chicago, and there have been riots like non-stop. I'm not too far from where a lot of the rioting was happening. My neighborhood has been pretty good. A couple of things here and there have happened, but I'm not going to get into that. There's just a lot is going on in the city. I think it's kind of like calmed down a bit. I know the officers were charged. Thank goodness they were charged. I don't know, as of right now, I haven't heard about a trial date or anything. I just know that they were arrested. And that's good. That's a start, but hopefully justice is served for George Floyd and his family. I'm a big supporter in Black Lives Matter, and just know that just because it says Black Lives Matter, it doesn't mean other races, cultures, ethnicities don't matter. Please, I don't understand why people take it so personal, like it's an attack on their race or their culture. It's not. It's simply saying I'm black and I matter. So like, why do people get so caught up in it? That's just the name of their movement, and I am 100% for it. And so if you feel inclined, if you can, please go onto my Instagram. I've shared I have a story on there for different petitions and ways that you can help, donate, or whatever you feel you can do. You want to learn more, there are some amazing people that I have found on Instagram, and other just links and websites that I found. I'll have those all linked down below for you if you are interested. But please just know, negativity down in the comments about like all lives matter. Of course all lives matter, but this isn't about everybody, so this is about black people and the systemic racism that they go through. And it's just a lot to say in one video, and maybe I will make one just talking just specifically about that. I don't want to take away from the movement, because this is a movement. It's not a moment. It's not just right now and until the next time something happens, which is awful. But just know that it's a movement, not a moment. So if you can, please research, learn more about it, sign petitions, donate if you're able to. And I'm just gonna leave it at that. Okay, so let's just get into this unboxing. I know that's what you came for, so let's do that. Let's see, maybe this will be the time I cut myself. Let's see. Easier this way. AirPods. And my case came at the same time. Cool. So here they are. Oops, sorry, there's a little bit of a glare there. So these are my babies, my new ones. So that's it. It has this pull tab in here, and I'll pull this apart. You have your other earpieces there, small and large. In the box you have your cable, which is lightning to USB-C. It's pretty cool. Don't really need those because I can use the charger from my iPad Pro for that, to charge these. These away for ilimiz alırım. Very cool. And here are the original ones, because the ones I have are the first generation. The earpiece, this is a lot heavier. Let's see. The original ones, these are the pros. This one comes with the medium already inserted. It's comfortable. There's already the height. These are longer, obviously, here. Hide pretty well. Obviously, covering my hair, they're gonna hide well. Let's see. The medium's pretty comfortable, but I wonder if the small would feel better. Oh, I don't like that. When I took it off, it feels like this was gonna come off. We'll see. Interesting. The reason I ended up upgrading was because these still work to listen to anything on my phone. But when I'm making phone calls, it's the strangest thing that I can hear the other person perfectly, but they cannot hear me. And I've called other iPhones, non-iPhones. I've reset them, and it's just, I don't know what the heck is going on. I took them to Apple, and they couldn't figure out what the heck was wrong with them, because according to them, nothing was wrong. But so it went from this to this here. I don't know why they did that, but charger and little eggies. And I got a case for it. I'm surprised it actually came the same day. I bought both things off of Amazon. Little puff ball. Got smashed. So let's put these babies in her new home. Put in the keychain and stuff, like, there you go. And just clip this to my bag or my wallet on the go. Let's do this. So cute. And just clip that, charge it right there. Very cute. So these might stay just in my purse, because I can't tell you how many times I've gone to work and I've left these at home. Sucks. But I mean, these still work perfectly fine to listen to music or podcasts or whatever I'm listening to, watching movies, anything. I can hear perfectly fine. Just nobody can hear me when I'm driving. So I'll just pop one in. While I'm driving, I can answer a call. I don't do that often, but there's sometimes a phone call can't wait. And I'll just have, like I said, just one in, but it's been a nightmare. So these will just stay on my nightstand in a drawer, because Elijah, my son, likes to play with them. There we go. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Yeah. What? Alright guys, so So thank you so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. If you have AirPods, let me know what you think of them. If you have these special ones, the newer ones I should say. My son is gonna knock down the door. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate it. Please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. It really helps out my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions or anything that you would like me to film, please let me know. I have a couple videos coming up, as you guys may, or if you follow me on Instagram, you know, but if you don't, I actually quit my job and I start a new one very soon, and I will have a video on that coming up next. Okay, thanks guys, until next time.